Hello guys, this is Om and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, today we are going to study 30 feet by 50 feet plans. So I have already studied 6 different plans and today I am going to study 3 more of them. So I will study both the plan and the elevation and what is special in all those plans that I am going to discuss in detail in today's session. If you are someone who is willing to build a house, then you can also approach us to make the architecture plan. And today we have unique plans over here, so I'm just going to open that for you and you can see what is the uniqueness of all those plans that I am discussing about. So you can see this is our first plan of the day, and you can see we have the ground floor plan as well as the first floor plan for this one. So in the front we have a 6 feet wide lawn, so which is a quite a good space for any kind of like uh, evening or morning walk. Then you can see we have a porch area of 8 feet 8 inches by 13 feet 6 inches. And then on the left we have the veranda, which is leading us to the drawing room, or you can say this is a drawing come dining room. Okay, now you can see over here what we have a staircase, and this staircase will lead us to the next floor. And then we have a common toilet over here. Now you can see this area is quite vacant, and this can provide the ventilation and lighting for the staircase as well as this kitchen area over here. And to reach out the kitchen area we can just go from here, that is the dining area, and then we can just take a right turn and go to the kitchen, which is also opening to the wash area, and the storeroom is also placed over there. Then you can also see that over here we have a basin, and then we have a bedroom, and a puja room is attached to the bedroom. Also the toilet is attached to this bedroom, so you can also see that this is a master bedroom plan. Okay, so on the ground floor what are the different things that we have a porch area which is enough for the parking. Then we have a drawing come dining room, and then we have a common toilet. Then we have a master bedroom over here, a puja room, a storeroom, and a kitchen. Then we will reach to the next floor through the stairs, and now we will go to the first floor over here. So this area is also vacant over here, so this can also help in the ventilation of this space. Then this stair will lead us to this lobby area, and in this lobby is 5 feet 8 inches wide. And then we have the passage through this lobby of the bedroom, which is also having a open stair over terrace over here. So this is an open terrace at this place. And then you can also see that we have another bedroom over here, and this is a master bedroom. Then we have a common bedroom, common toilet over here, and we have again another terrace over here. Okay, so this was the first floor plan. If you are liking the approach of how we are studying the plan in detail, then you can also hit the like button. Okay, and you can also share this video with your friends and colleagues, and then you can also subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and press the bell icon to get the notification of all these plans and elevations that I am studying over here. And also if you are a student and like a civil engineering student and you are preparing for the SSC, then you can also just go to the channel of Civil Raja, and there you can study for the JE also, because I have started a series over here. So you can also see the playlist over here. I am just going to show you the playlist. Yeah, so this is the playlist of the theory, and you can see I have already included 2 videos of the SSC over here on date 22nd July, and there are other things also which is theoretical but are used in the practical life, like if you are a building consultant or a civil engineer who is looking for the job. So for the JE, I have already started the series, so you can also join that. Now we will go back to the today's video, and over here you can see that we have the elevation of the plan, and this is quite a modern elevation, and you can see how the angles have been used for the railing over here. So this is quite impressive. There is a curved design over here. Then you can also see there are a few, you can say the square pipes are used to give it a better look. Okay, so personally I would rate this as 7 out of 10 for the exterior point of view. And if you want your dream project to be like planned by us, and you want to create the elevation in 3D, then you can also approach us. My number is always in the description. You can simply WhatsApp or call on 8433248864. Now here is our next plan of the day, which is ground floor plan. And again, we have a gate on the right, then we have a porch area of 8 feet by 13 feet 4 inches, which is good enough for parking any car or two-wheeler. Then you can see on the left we have a garden that is 11 feet by 21 feet 4 inches. That means you have a huge lawn or garden area over here. And this has been this was the requirement of the client, that he wanted a huge garden, so it was planned like this. And according to your requirement, we are capable of planning any beautiful plan for your particular plot. Then you can see we have this arc shape over here, which is giving a beautiful elevation. So I can show you over here, but yeah, this is like adding the beauty to the building. And then through this we can just enter to the drawing area, or you can say the hall. Then from here we will go to the dining area, and this dining area is also leading us to the staircase. Then there is a bedroom on the left, and it is a master bedroom because the toilet is attached with it. And this toilet is getting the ventilation from this duct area that has been provided over here. And this duct area is also providing the ventilation for this dining area, and then this toilet and this bedroom on the back. So this bedroom on the back of the building is also you can say this is a master bedroom because it is opening right from here. And there is a wash area which is also providing the ventilation to this one. And then we have a common toilet over here and a kitchen on the right, which is also having a storeroom of 6 feet by 4 feet, which is quite spacious for a ground floor building, and with the dimension of 30 feet by 50 feet. Okay, so that is quite a good plan over here. And you can also see that along with this entrance over here, we have another entrance for the residents of the building, and that is coming from here. So this is a 4 feet passage that you can see over here, and this is leading us to the entrance of the building. That is the second entrance over here, and we can directly enter the residence area, that is the dining area, through here. Okay, now it's time to study the elevation of the plan. So let's have a look, overall look at this elevation. So this is quite a modern approach when you are looking at this marble walk and this curve walk over here, but it is not very much impressive in my point of view. However, if you are want to make an elevation with a very little budget, then you can go with this. Okay, otherwise there are a lot more better options than this one, even for the ground floor. Okay, now we will go for the next plan of the day. And guys, before we jump to the next plan, that is this one, I would like to inform you that if you want to join our building planning batch, then you that is also open, and it is starting from 1st of the August. So you can simply join that. And if you want to go for the demo of that, then you can simply open your YouTube and then just look for Civil Raja over here, and then it will lead you to the channel of ours. And on our channel you will just go to the video section, and over here you can see this is our day one, which is the live session for the building planning class, and this is kind of a demo session for you also. So you can just watch this video to get the idea of the complete course. So it is a completely professional course, and you can simply just enroll in it and get a way to your future. So if you want to open up your consultancy, then you can join this course. If you want to get a job in the building planning section, then you can also go for it. So if you are an architect or a civil engineer, then you can just go for this course. And if you are someone who is preparing for the SSC JE, if you are civil or mechanical, then strength of material is being uploaded every day, almost every day at 2 p.m. So you can just go ahead and watch that portion also. That will help you with your preparation of the SSC JE right now. Okay, now you can see over here that we have two plans over here. So on this one, like the ground floor and the first floor is not mentioned over here, but you can see over here we have a garden area, right? So garden can only be on the ground floor if it is a residential building. Normally, nowadays we are also having the garden on our rooftop, but that is not the case over here. So this is the garden, which is 9 feet wide, and then you can see we have a like slightly curved area, and this will add to the beauty of your garden. If you have something like curve and not just a simple straight line, so normally it adds to the beauty of the building. Then you can see we have the porch area, and this porch area is leading us to like the entrance of the building directly to the dining area over here if you are the resident of the building. And this is like a angular door, so you can also see that there is a little more innovation in this plan rather than the previous one. So I told you that like every plan is unique because all these plans are made by the different architects over here. Those are basically our students, and some of our friends are there. So you can see they can just use this approach over here. And now you can see this is our veranda, and on the through the veranda we can just enter to the drawing area, or you can say the drawing room or the hall over here, which is quite spacious. That is 14 feet by 15 feet, and this like a drawing area is opening to the like the living or the dining area over here. And then you can see we have a common toilet that is placed over here. Now over here we have the staircase, which will help us to reach out to the next floor. We will study the next floor and then we will discuss more about the staircase, but let's focus right now over here. So this is our bedroom and the toilet on the back. So this is a master bedroom. We have a kitchen area and a storeroom. The storeroom is quite spacious in this case because it is 11 feet 5 inches by 4 feet. And then we have a wash area at the back of the building. Okay, so through this staircase we will reach to the next floor, that is over here. And it will directly open to the living area, and then this will like lead us to this master bedroom over here. On the left and on the right we again have a master bedroom. This master bedroom is also having this balcony over here because this space is not like highlighted over here. So there is a reason on the ground floor we have the wash area, so this need to be like a open area over here. So that's why this space was not highlighted, or nothing is written over here. So you can just make a cross sign over here, and that will help you with this. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a little bit of the layer property. So let's see in which layer is this red line. Okay, so this red line is not in any particular layer. So in this is just in the ground floor plan. Okay, so what I can do, I can just make a marking over here, and this will be the takeaway of this class, because I'm also going to show you a little trick about this. Okay, so I'm just going to make a cross sign over here. Okay, and this cross sign will represent a open to sky, that is OTS space over here. Okay, so if you want to change the color, then you can simply select it and you can simply mark the color from here. Okay, so like that you can simply mark it with red color. So like this you can just draw the lines and use the colors. If you are also willing to learn the AutoCAD, like how to work with the AutoCAD, then I am also preparing on the a recorded session for that. You can also enroll in that, and you will get the details in the description itself. So if you want to just connect me, then again the number is same. It is 8433248864, and it is in the description. Now let's get back to the plan over here. So you can see we have a balcony and a toilet that is attached to this bedroom. So we have the two master bedrooms over here, and again uh, right on the ground floor we have one bedroom. Okay, so this is a 3 BHK house on total, we can say. And yeah, so through this area we can just go to this room, and this is can be quite a spacious room, so you can also use it as a guest room or the bedroom over here. So again you are going to learn how to edit the text. I'm just going to make it as a bedroom over here. Okay, because that will be a better approach to this plan. Okay, now you can see this is again having a toilet attached to it, so you can also call it as a like a master bedroom over here. Then we can just edit this porch area and we can name it as the open terrace area. Okay, so it can be named as open terrace. Okay, So like that, we can simply rename the places, because the first floor is nothing more than the edited version of the ground floor normally. Okay, so yeah, we can just go ahead and watch the elevation of this plan. Okay, where is the elevation? Here it is. So it is like kind of a simple elevation, so there is nothing more to discuss on this one. But yeah, if you want to look at such interesting plans in future, and you want to learn the little bit of the AutoCAD tricks that I am discussing over here in this video, then you can simply hit the like button to this video and share it with your friends and colleagues. And then you can also subscribe to our channel of the Civil Raja, because we are providing videos on every alternate day. So you can simply subscribe it and press the bell icon, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye. And if you have any kind of suggestion, or if you want to give your feedback, then comment box is open for you, so you can just go ahead and put your comment over there. I will wait for that. Thank you.